future licensed professional teachers, welcome back. I am Jin Merle. Today, we are going to unpack transfer of learning. This is a high-yield lead topic and a classroom must know. So in this vlog, we are going to cover what transfer of learning is, the three types, and also the main theories and practical moves that are included. Okay, so let us start with the definition plus simple example of transfer of learning. So transfer of learning means using knowledge, skills, or habits from one situation to influence performance in another. For example, if a student can add fraction, then they'll find dividing recipes easier. That's positive transfer. Transfer is why what we teach should stick beyond the lesson, not just for the test itself. Okay, now, so we are going to move on to the three types of transfer of learning. But before going on with the three types, I am going to introduce to you a simple mnemonic for you to better remember the three types of transfer of learning. So it will be pizza never goes out. So pizza is for positive transfer. And never goes to the negative transfer, and zero will be for the zero transfer. Everyone, remember the simple mnemonic trick that I have told you, which is for P for pizza, the positive transfer, never goes to the negative transfer, and zero will be for the zero transfer. Okay, now, so let us discuss one by one the three types of transfer of learning. So we have the very first one is the positive transfer. So what is this positive transfer, by the way? So when we say positive transfer, this is about prior learning helps new learning. Let's say, for example, learning addition helps with multiplication. So the next transfer is the negative transfer. This is about prior habits interfere. For example, a student who learned subtraction by borrowing may get confused with a different algorithm. So lastly but not the least is the zero transfer or no effect at all. So for example, learning flower arrangement won't help solve geometry proof, correct? Okay. Okay, now for classroom application. Practical exam ready. So let's make transfer happen. First is to scaffold from prior knowledge. Use analogies. For example, atom is equals to solar system. Design spiral lessons. Give varied practices across contexts. And assess application, not just recall. Quick classroom idea. Teach decimals using pizza slices. Students who learned fractions will transfer easily to decimals. Positive transfer plus mnemonic tie for pizza. And the next one is exam tip plus closing. Call to action or the LET tip. Most items ask you to identify type, positive or negative or zero, or match a theory to an example. When unsure, scan for shared elements, identical elements, or interfering habits, negative. So one line, transfer is equals to apply. Use the pizza never zeros out. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more 3-minute LET drills. Good luck! You've got this!